Understanding Sucrose Synthesis, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, sucrose synthesis. It might sound a bit complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together in a simple and understandable way. Let's dive in. Sucrose synthesis refers to a biological process. Sucrose is a type of sugar, commonly known as table sugar, which is used in many foods. It is composed of two simpler sugars, glucose and fructose. Synthesis means the process of making something by combining different elements. So, sucrose synthesis is the process where plants create sucrose from simpler substances. This process is crucial in plants. It's not just about making sugar for our food. Sucrose synthesis is how plants store energy. They capture energy from sunlight through photosynthesis and store it as sucrose. This stored energy is essential for the plant's growth and is also vital for animals and humans who eat these plants. While sucrose synthesis is a scientific term, it can be used in everyday language to talk about complex processes that involve turning simple elements into something more complex or valuable. For example, you might hear someone say, "Creating this artwork was like sucrose synthesis," meaning it was a detailed and transformative process. I hope this video has helped clarify what sucrose synthesis means and why it's important, both in science and in everyday language. Remember, learning English can be like sucrose synthesis, taking simple words and turning them into complex ideas. Keep practicing, and you'll be amazed at what you can create with your language skills. See you in our next video.